Today I have a Epson projector, and this projector problem is no power. Today I'll fix this problem, and you can see this is the Epson. Here is the model, and this model is H855C, and this projector problem is no power. And today I'll fix this, and I found out that and where is the problem, and because of it will be help you. That's why I'm making this video. Okay, this is the power supply. Let's see how we can solve this problem. Okay. And you can see this pin configuration, and here is a 17 voltage plus and 4 and 5 number pins, and here is a ground, and here is a RxD, and here is a main on. Okay, and lots of thing. And at first I need to find out this voltage, and 17 voltage positive. Okay, let's check it, and this voltage is present or not. And this is the inverter circuit for lamp, and this is not necessary to install for this voltage output. Okay, let's plug in this. I plug in the power, and here is the output voltage. Okay, and let's check it. And this one is the ground. Here is a 12 volt present. Okay, that means this power supply is okay. And when I install the motherboard, and this power supply voltage gone down. Okay, and I will show how we can fix this type of problem. No surge at all. Let's check this. No voltage. Okay. I'm taking this ground from here and check it. Here is no voltage present. Okay, and you can see this here, and this pin here is no voltage. When I connect the motherboard, and this voltage can drop. Okay, I will fix this problem. That means this problem come from the motherboard. Okay, our power supply is ready. Our power supply is okay. But let's check this, how we can solve this problem. No voltage, capacitor gone discharge, and see the problem and how I find out this. I keep my meter ohmic position. This one is ground, and this one is positive. You can see this, and this output voltage is short with the ground. Okay, and I will find out this short circuit from the motherboard. Okay, and this short circuit occurred from the motherboard. Okay, when I open this, when I disconnect the motherboard, okay, and you can see this, here is no short. Okay, see this, no short circuit. Everything is okay. No short. No short. Let's check this. And this is our motherboard. This pin are short. And this is the ground. And here is 4 number pin shorted. Okay. And this is the positive, main positive short with the ground. Okay. I find out that, and where is the problem, I will show this, and you will be realize that. And our meter is continuity mode, and you can see this one is short, this one is okay, and this one is showing short, and this one also showing short. And you can see these caps, and here is some are broken. Okay, maybe you can realize that. Look at this capacitor. Okay, you can see this again, and this one is okay, and this one is not working. And you can understand sometimes some of problem, and you can update how you can fix this that is easy. And if you look very carefully on your circuit, you will find something. What is the problem? Okay, and this capacitor making this motherboard shorted. Okay, let's open it. No, here is no short circuit. Okay, you can see this, here is no short circuit. This is the capacitor. Let's check it, what happened. And you can see this capacitor is short, and the other side shorted. Okay, give the power and check it. And you can see this voltage, here is voltage present. And you can see this light, power LED also clone. Okay viewers, thanks for watching. And let's check this, and here is any short circuit or not. And here, now here is no short circuit. Okay, and you can see this here, no short circuit here. Okay, short circuit open. And I found that capacitor from this downside. Okay, and this capacitor shorted the motherboard. Okay viewers, thanks for watching.